Come check out all the bells and whistles on this 4-bed 1.5-bath home on the outskirts of Hoquiam. This home features a recently remodeled kitchen great for entertaining, a large, sunken rec room wired for sound with dimmable lights for movie night on the Optima projector with 120-inch screen. Roof and gutters replaced in 2021. Home painted in 2023. Yard features a privacy fence, covered patio, swing set with tree fort, and a covered chicken pen. RV parking, 26 by 30 garage with loft for storage. There is an additional lot across the alley included in the sale for extra parking, see attached map. 8 by 12 garden shed on concrete slab. If you're able to pull yourself away from this beauty, the beach, rainforest and mountains are not far. MLS number 2,142,556.